Static electricity can be eliminated and prevented through a variety of strategies. Firstly, consider increasing the humidity in areas where static buildup is common. A humidifier can help neutralize static charges. Secondly, install grounding mats. Place conductive mats under equipment or in areas where people stand or walk. Grounding mats help dissipate static electricity. Thirdly, use antistatic coatings. Apply antistatic coatings to surfaces that tend to accumulate static charges, such as doorknobs, handles, and badge readers. Fourthly, wet mop floors. Use a damp mop with a conductive solution to reduce static buildup on floors. Fifthly, provide employees with grounding straps. Have employees wear wrist straps or heel grounders to ground themselves when working with static-sensitive equipment or areas. In addition to elimination strategies, consider prevention measures. Firstly, avoid wearing synthetic fabrics. Synthetic materials, like nylon and polyester, tend to hold static charges more than natural fibers. Choose clothing made from cotton or other natural fabrics. Secondly, touch a grounded surface before touching equipment. Make a habit of touching a metal surface, such as a door handle or water faucet, before touching any electrical equipment or objects that are likely to accumulate static. Thirdly, use a key to open doors. Avoid touching the metal parts of doors directly. Use a key to open doors or wear gloves when necessary. Fourthly, discharge static before touching sensitive equipment. If a static charge is felt, touch a grounded surface or use a grounding wrist strap before touching equipment or electronics. Fifthly, train employees. Educate employees about static electricity and its hazards. Train them on proper grounding techniques and the importance of using antistatic precautions. Additional considerations include inspecting and maintaining equipment regularly. Inspect electrical equipment, including push buttons, badge readers, and door hardware, for any damage or grounding issues. Provide employees with proper protective gear. If static shocks are unavoidable, ensure employees have access to appropriate protective equipment, such as grounded gloves or antistatic clothing. Consider electrostatic discharge or ES protection measures. Implement comprehensive ESD protection measures in sensitive areas, including grounding, antistatic materials, and proper handling procedures. By implementing these elimination strategies and prevention measures, static electricity can be reduced and the risk of static shocks minimized. Proper training and maintenance are essential for ensuring the effectiveness of these measures.